Hey, boss.
Yeah.
I've got a question to ask you. What is the difference between a 911 and a 211?
I'm glad you asked that. 911 is somebody you call if there's an emergency and you need someone right away. A person, a fire truck, an ambulance will come to your house when you need it. 211 refers you to community resources. So then instead of coming out to your house, they'll give you a phone number or a website for more information that can connect you with those community resources that you need.
Hey, Mike, I got a question. What is 211?
I'm glad you asked, Bobby. So if you look here on the website, 211 can help you with things like finding a job, finding a housing or housing assistance. Also, I've used it in the past to connect with cooking classes and resources around food. It's also a great place. I believe Jason has used it to find new places to meet people, classes at the community events that are going.
Awesome.
211, you are the one. 211, you are the one.
Connect to community resources.
And you are the one.
And
It's
find
on
websites
211,
for
baby.
things that make me
Makes
happy.
me feel like I'm the one.
But you're
Oh,
not
yeah, baby.
a case manager. But
That's
you
right.
can give me the phone number
Oh.
for a case manager.
You can look on the website.